The 1 Dirham coin of 2005 from the United Arab Emirates holds both monetary and historical significance. In terms of value, it is worth 1 dirham, the currency of the UAE. However, its historical context goes beyond its face value. The dirham, abbreviated as AED, is the official currency of the United Arab Emirates. It is subdivided into 100 fils. The currency was introduced in 1973, replacing the Qatar and Dubai rial. Since then, the UAE dirham has been pegged to the US dollar at a fixed exchange rate. The 1 dirham coin features various designs over the years, often reflecting the rich culture, heritage, and achievements of the UAE. The 2005 coin, minted in the Hijri year 1425, is part of this tradition. In 2005, the UAE was experiencing significant economic growth, driven mainly by its oil reserves and strategic investments in various sectors. The country was also making strides in infrastructure development, tourism, and finance. This economic prosperity is mirrored in the value and circulation of the dirham coins, including the 1 dirham coin from that year. The coin's design typically includes the UAE emblem on one side, featuring a falcon with its wings spread, symbolizing the country's heritage of falconry and its aspirations for progress and prosperity. The other side often displays the denomination, in this case, the numeral 1, alongside the word dirham in Arabic script. Beyond its monetary value, the 1 dirham coin serves as a tangible piece of history, representing a specific era in the UAE's development. It reflects the country's journey from a primarily desert-based economy to a modern, diversified nation with a global presence. Furthermore, the 2005 coin serves as a reminder of the importance of numismatics, the study and collection of currency, in preserving and understanding a nation's history and culture. Each coin tells a story, not just of its economic value but also of the people, events, and aspirations associated with it. In conclusion, the 1 dirham coin from 2005 holds both monetary value as a unit of currency and historical significance as a representation of the United Arab Emirates' progress and prosperity during that period. Its design, inscription, and circulation contribute to its role as a symbol of the nation's identity and achievements. The value of a 2005 United Arab Emirates 1 dirham coin, also known as a 1425 coin in the Islamic calendar, depends on its condition and rarity. You might want to check with coin collectors or online marketplaces for its current worth. The 1 dirham coin from 2005, also corresponding to the Islamic calendar year 1425, holds significance not only as a currency but also as a symbol of the United Arab Emirates' rich heritage and economic development. While determining its precise monetary worth today can vary based on factors like condition and collector demand, exploring its historical, cultural, and economic context provides valuable insights into its value and significance. First minted in 1973, the 1 dirham coin has been a staple of the UAE's currency system, reflecting the nation's journey from a primarily oil-dependent economy to a diverse and dynamic global player. The year 2005 marked a period of sustained growth and modernization for the UAE, driven by its strategic vision for economic diversification and infrastructure development. The significance of the Islamic calendar date, 1425, adds cultural depth to the coin. The Islamic calendar, based on lunar cycles, holds spiritual and cultural importance for Muslims worldwide. Each year is marked not only by its numerical value but also by events and traditions within Islamic history and culture, contributing to the coin's cultural resonance beyond its monetary value. In terms of monetary worth, factors such as rarity, condition, and collector demand play crucial roles. Coins in mint condition or those with unique features, such as errors in minting or limited production runs, tend to command higher prices in numismatic markets. Additionally, coins with historical or cultural significance may attract collectors interested in preserving tangible artifacts of a nation's heritage. To assess the current monetary value of a 2005 1 dirham coin, individuals can consult various sources, including numismatic catalogs, online marketplaces, and coin appraisal services. Numismatic experts can provide insights into market trends, auction results, and factors influencing the value of specific coins, helping collectors and enthusiasts make informed decisions. Beyond its monetary value, the 1 dirham coin serves as a tangible representation of the UAE's journey towards modernity and prosperity. As a young nation with a rich cultural tapestry and ambitious vision for the future, the UAE continues to evolve, with each coin bearing witness to its ongoing narrative of growth and transformation. In conclusion, while the monetary worth of a 2005 1 dirham coin may fluctuate based on market dynamics, its intrinsic value lies in its historical, cultural, and economic significance. As a symbol of the UAE's heritage and progress, it serves as a reminder of the nation's resilience, innovation, and enduring legacy on the global stage. Whether treasured as part of a numismatic collection or appreciated for its symbolic resonance, the 1 dirham coin from 2005 remains a testament to the UAE's dynamic spirit and forward-looking vision.